हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 11 थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री। तो थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री में बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ उसकी देखेंगे। शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, देन टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर, पैरेलल लाइंस एंड वेक्टर एंड कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन। तो कैसे होता है, तो बहुत सारी फॉर्मूलाज ऑलरेडी आपने 10 चैप्टर्स में पढ़ी हुई है, तो उससे आगे जाएंगे। फर्स्ट वन, vector equation of line। वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन तो कैसे होगा, तो इन थ्री डायमेंशन इफ इट इज वन लाइन L, fixed point PR vector, fixed point of the line, that is the coordinate of the line, fixed point is A vector, and direction of line L, that is B. So this is the ideal situation. Now from the figure, look at this, AP vector, डायरेक्शन ऑफ AP वेक्टर क्या होगा, तो क्या आइदर फ्रॉम दिस साइड और आइदर फ्रॉम दिस साइड, बोथ साइड। सो AP वेक्टर तो क्या मल्टीपल ऑफ लैम्बडा, दैट मीन्स आइदर लैम्बडा इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, लैम्बडा मस्ट नॉट बी अ जीरो। Q, if it is 0, P and A on the same position. AP vector, so that is difference of their position vector, R vector minus A vector equal to lambda B vector. So R vector equal to what, A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda belongs to R but lambda is not equal to 0. So this one is vector equation of line. Now R is a coordinate of line, A fixed point, B direction of line. So where R vector equal to Cartesian form x, y, z, A vector fixed point, that is x1, y1, z1, B vector direction of line, that is L, M, N। आप इसे कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, LMN, ABC, वॉट एवर यू लाइक, PQR भी बोल सकते हो। सेकेंड, कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, तो कैसे आएगा कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, तो पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन द गिवन इक्वेशन। सो दैट इज R वेक्टर इक्वल टू A वेक्टर प्लस लैम्बडा B वेक्टर, वैल्यू ऑफ R x, y, z, A vector x1, y1, z1, lambda B vector that is LMN। डिफरेंस ले लो, यहाँ ले लो, x माइनस x1, y माइनस y1, z माइनस z1, lambda LMN। अब ईच एंड एवरी डायरेक्शन को डिवाइड कर दीजिए, x माइनस x1 अपॉन L, y माइनस y1 अपॉन M, z माइनस z1 अपॉन N इक्वल टू लैम्बडा। सो दे हैविंग इक्वल रेशियो। सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन x माइनस x1 अपॉन L, y माइनस y1 अपॉन M, z माइनस z1 अपॉन n. So L, M, N डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइन है, तो इन 3 डायमेंशन समटाइम्स एनी वन ऑफ देम LMN मे बी 0 हो सकता है. कैसे? तो देखिए एग्जाम्पल. कभी भी आप एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर रहे हो, देख लो एक बार. ऑलवेज x, y एंड z गेटिंग द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. कॉमन साइन माइनस ही होनी चाहिए, तभी पॉइंट एक्स वाई जेड. अगर प्लस है तो पॉइंट नेगेटिव. डायरेक्शन लाइज इन डिनोमिनेटर. ऑलवेज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड 1 ही होना चाहिए और ऑर्डर एक्स वाई जेड से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, x माइनस 3 अपॉन 0, 2y माइनस 1 अपॉन 7, 1 माइनस जेड अपॉन माइनस 3. चलिए इसे कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में लाइए. तो व्हाट इज कार्टेशियन फॉर्म? x माइनस x1 अपॉन l, y माइनस y1 अपॉन m, z माइनस z1 अपॉन n. नाउ ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, गिवन इक्वेशन यही फॉर्म में है, तो यहाँ पे 2 एक्स्ट्रा है, यहाँ पे z को फर्स्ट ऑर्डर चाहिए. सो ट्राई टू मेक इट इन दिस फॉर्म. सो x माइनस 3 अपॉन 0, that means direction of x is 0. Now divide by 2 in numerator and denominator. So y minus 1 by 2 upon 7 by 2. Now यहाँ पे multiplying by minus, z minus 1 upon 3. So this is the Cartesian equation. Now you can compare. अब यही इक्वेशन को अदर फॉर्म में भी लिखा जाता है. कैसे? अगर डायरेक्शन 0 है तो आई एम सेइंग दैट x इक्वल टू 3 कॉमा दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर द प्रीवियस टर्म हुज डायरेक्शन इज 0. y माइनस 1 बाई 2 कॉमा 7 बाई 2, z माइनस 1 बाई 3. ये सेकेंड फॉर्म आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो. पॉइंट क्या होंगे? तो पॉइंट A इक्वल टू फर्स्ट पॉइंट, तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कीजिए 3, 1 बाई 2, 1. डायरेक्शन 0, 7 by 2 and 3. So this one is the fixed point and direction. Direction of line. Now next, equation of line passing through two point A vector, B vector. For your knowledge, AB vector point may be x1, y1, z1. कोई भी पॉइंट आप ले सकते हो, x2, y2, z2. That is point A and point B. So now look at this. That is the line L. Point A vector. Point B. Now what is the direction? So direction of line, second, fixed point. तो आप कोई भी पॉइंट फिक्स कर सकते हो, आइदर ए वेक्टर और आइदर बी वेक्टर। सपोज हमने ए वेक्टर फिक्स किया है कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए, तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइन क्या हो जाएगी, दैट इज ए बी वेक्टर माइनस ए वेक्टर। तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन आर वेक्टर इक्वल टू ए वेक्टर प्लस लेमडा बी वेक्टर माइनस ए वेक्टर। So this is our equation of line if line is passing through the two distinct point. Clear? बोलिए, इसमें किसी को डाउट है? So these are the theoretical portion. Next, angle between two lines. Angle between two line, first line L, R vector equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. Second line M, R vector equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2 vector. चलिए कांस्टेंट चेंज कर देते हैं, म्यू B2 vector. Lambda and mu belongs to R, but they are non-zero. So now angle between two lines, so there is three possibilities. What is B1 and B2? So let me introduce B1, L1, M1, N1, B2 vector, L2, M2, N2. Two values. तो एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन्स, तो आइदर लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, आइदर लाइन्स आर परपेंडिकुलर, और आइदर लाइन हैविंग अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन। तो फर्स्ट डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन के लिए देख रहे हैं, cos थीटा इक्वल टू B1 डॉट B2 अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड B1 डॉट B2. That is if two lines having a different direction. Second, if line L perpendicular M, then product of their direction B1 vector dot B2 vector equal to 0. Either इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, आइदर डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0, L1 इंटू L2, M1 इंटू M2, N1 इंटू N2 इक्वल टू 0. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टर्म्स आर 0. थर्ड वन, if two lines are parallel, then their corresponding ratio L1 upon L2, M1 upon M2, N1 upon N2, their ratio are same. ओके और एक छोटा सा पॉइंट, इफ टू लाइन्स आर कोलिनियर, if lines are collinear, then their cross product equal to 0 वेक्टर। इस तरह से चेक करना है। So these are the condition of angle between two vector, and if two lines are collinear, then cross product is zero vector. Next point, shortest distance between two lines L and M. What is L? L is R vector equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. Second line, R vector equal to A2 vector plus mu B2 vector, where lambda and mu belongs to R. Skew lines, shortest distance between two lines के लिए lines must be a skew. Skew means what? Neither intersecting nor parallel. That means तो आप ओवर ब्रिज पे फ्लाईओवर पे से ऐसे जा रहे हो और ऐसे जा रहे हो, सो ये डाउनवर्ड्स लेन है, ये अपवर्ड्स ओवर ब्रिज है, तो टू लाइन्स आर लुक्स लाइक अ परपेंडिकुलर बट दे आर नेवर बीन intersecting each other. So like this, first line L, second line M, they are not intersecting. It feels like intersecting if you are expanding, but skew lines are never been intersecting. Shortest distance, that means आप कहीं पे भी रख दो, don't say that this one is the shortest distance because it is lies in 3D. So now that is a fixed point A1 vector, that is fixed point B1 vector. Fixed point A1 vector, A2 vector. Direction, that is B1 vector, that is B2 vector. Direction. So now what is the formula of shortest distance between two skew lines? Shortest distance between two skew lines, that is A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude B1 cross B2. Distance है, that means distance must be a positive. So this one is the theory portion of chapter 11. Now we shall start example. Now the last topic, direction cosine, direction angle, direction cosine, direction angle and direction ratio. That is already you study in 10 chapter, but we revise the given thing. First, in 3 dimension, that is x-axis, that is y-axis and z-axis. From the origin, PR vector, whose position vectors are A, B and C, it makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis, with positive direction of y-axis beta, and with positive direction of z-axis, that is gamma. So first, direction angle alpha, beta, gamma. Second, direction ratio, direction cosine So what is that? So direction cosine is nothing but a given r vector upon their magnitude r. So that is cos alpha, it is also written as cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal to r1 upon magnitude r vector, r2 upon magnitude r vector, r3 upon magnitude r3 r vector, r1 upon r vector, r2 upon r vector, r3 upon r vector. That is r1 is what? So a vector, that is a vector upon magnitude a, b upon r vector, that is c upon r vector. Clear? So this is direction cosine. And third one, direction ratio. So that is nothing one, a, b and c. So these are the useful form of 10 chapter. That example is also in 11 chapters. So we shall start from the exercise portion. Look at the question. If a line makes an angle 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with x, y and z axis. So previously we discussed that is alpha, beta, gamma. Find its direction cosine. So for direction cosine, we are finding values of alpha, beta and gamma. So here cos 90 equal to, what is cos 90? 0. Cos 135, that is what? Minus 1 by root 2, second quadrant cos is negative. Cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Now we are finding direction cosine. Direction cosines are zero, minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So this is your answer. Now the second question, find the direction cosine of a line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. That means x, y, z having equal angle. So what is the given? Let alpha, beta, gamma is given. Three angles are same. Let, that means आप alpha, beta, gamma के अलावा you can select any one of that angle. That means theta, alpha, beta, like that. We know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So now put all these angles are same. Cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. 3 cos square alpha equal to 1. Cos square alpha equal to 1 by 3. Cos alpha equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Whatever the cos alpha is, cos beta and cos gamma. So now these are the direction cosine. So direction cosine are plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. This is your answer. Third one, if a line has the direction ratio, that means numbers, a given term. So first one, let A equal to minus 18, B equal to 12, C equal to minus 4. So first we are find out under root A square plus B square plus C square for direction, ratio, magnitude. 18 square root 361, 144 plus 16, that is 324. चलिए सबका एडिशन कर दीजिए, तो that is 484 and we know that 484 is the square root of 22. Now second, direction cosine of L, A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, M B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, N equal to C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. So values A minus 18 upon 22, तो आप डिविजिबल कर सकते हो, 9 2 ज़ा 11 2 ज़ा, नहीं करना है तो एज इट इज़ भी रख सकते हो, नो नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई इट. B इज़ वॉट, B इक्वल टू 12 अपॉन 22, 6 2 ज़ा 11 2 ज़ा, M equal to 6 by 11. So these are the direction cosine, direction ratio. कोई भी बोलो, values are remain same. And last one, N equal to minus 4 upon 22, 2 2 ज़ा 11 2 ज़ा, तो N equal to, so what is the N? Minus 2 by 11. Okay, चलिए next one. So that three lines with direction cosine, so that is first line L1, second line L2, third line L3. Either we are indicating L, M, N. चलिए L, M and N. तो first line direction cosine of line L, that is what, L1 equal to 12 by 13, we put directly 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 and minus 4 by 13. Second M line, four by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13. Third, direction cosine of N, 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13. Now if they are mutually perpendicular, then the dot product is same. A dot product is 0. Huh? First one, 12 into 13 minus 3 into 13. So we can directly proceed of this to one. 12 4 ज़ा 48 minus 36 minus 12 upon 169. So what is that? Answer is 0. If answer is 0, L perpendicular M. Second, this two line product, 4 into 3 minus 48 plus 36 upon 169. So equal to 0. M perpendicular and dot product is 0. Third one, L with N, 12 threes are 36 plus 12 minus 48 upon 169. So N perpendicular L. Complete. So from this three statement, all the three lines are mutually perpendicular. Hence it is proved. Now next question. So that the line passing through 2 points. Let me say that it is A and that is B. That AB line is perpendicular to another 2 points. So that is C and D. So first find out AB vector. Position vector, so 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4. CD vector, 3, 2, 4. Now, so that it is perpendicular, that means so that dot product is 0. So look at this dot product. 2 threes are 6, 5 twos are 10, 4 into 4 minus 16, answer is 0. Hence AB vector perpendicular CD vector. So from that, two lines are perpendicular to each other. तो बच्चों next example, so that the line passing through the 2 point 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. तो again ये values इसे A बोल दीजिए. Second one is B. Parallel to line point C and point D. First one, direction of AB line, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8 minus 4. Second, direction of CD line, difference of their x coordinate 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5 minus 1, 6. चलिए next one, that is 5 minus 1, 4. Huh? So look at this. Is it both are opposite? AB vector equal to minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. Minus sign common, 2, 4, 4. So AB vector equal to minus CD vector. AB vector equal to minus CD vector. Hence, both vector having different direction. Both vector having opposite direction. That means lines are parallel. Hence proved. Next one, find the equation of line which passes through the point. तो point given है, तो whatever the given value we indicate first. Find the equation of line. A vector equal to 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector. So direction indicated by B, 3, 2, minus 2, represent in a scalar form. So first, vector equation of line. R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. R vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda 3i cap 2j cap minus 2k cap. Second, first one is vector, second one is Cartesian. Cartesian equation of line. So what is the Cartesian equation of line? X minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n. So now this one is fixed point x1, y1, z1, that is Lm and direction. Now put the value. X minus 1 upon 3 equal to y minus 2 upon 2 z minus 3 upon minus 2. So here it is the equation. Next one, find the equation of line in vector and Cartesian, same as the previous sum. So position vector, fixed point, A vector equal to 2, minus 1, 4. Direction, B vector equal to 1, 2, minus 1. चलिए फर्स्ट वन, वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. R vector equal to A vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda. B vector I cap 2j cap minus k cap. Second, Cartesian equation of a line. So that is x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n. Okay. So now put the value, that is x1, y1, z1, and that one is lmn. So value is x minus 2 upon 1, y plus 1 upon 2, z minus 4 upon minus 1. So this one is the Cartesian equation of line. Next question. Find the Cartesian equation. Now only Cartesian equation that is passing through the point. So point A vector is -2, 4, 5. That is indicate x1, y1, z1. Now required line is parallel to the given line. Parallel that means दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है तो डायरेक्शन सेम होगी. बट बिफोर राइट अ डायरेक्शन coefficient of x, y, z must be a 1. So look at this denominator. So direction is what? B vector equal to 3, 5, 6. That is LMN. So now Cartesian equation of line x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, z minus z1 upon N. So put the point x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 4 upon 5, z minus 5 upon 6. So this is the Cartesian equation. Next one, the Cartesian equation of a line. Now Cartesian describe in which form? Vector. So what is the vector? So for vector, point A vector. So point is what? Phi. If it is plus, point is negative, and this is 6. Point A. Direction x, y, z से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. लुक एट दिस, x, y, z से ही स्टार्ट है. कोएफिशिएंट सबका 1 है. देन डिनोमिनेटर इज द डायरेक्शन. सो 3, 7, 2. सो फर्स्ट वन, वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Lambda belongs to R. Lambda must be a non-zero. R vector equal to 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda. B vector 3i cap 7j cap plus 2k cap. So this is R vector. So this one is the vector equation of line. Is that clear? Okay.